With Marjorie Falk. Smiling Marjorie celebrating her second birthday. Have a great day, kiddo, in Pittsburgh.
All right, up next we've got Henry Gabbert, turned 5 years old. There he is with the baby chicks in Moran, Kansas. Happy birthday, Henry.
Picture. That's good. Aly Ard, she's celebrating her 17th birthday. We're going to turn the clock back a little bit. Happy birthday to Aly in Moran.
She looks like a little baby doll. Oh, what a cutie there. Hunter Alters is celebrating. Hey, it's Hunter. You're 20 years old. Hope you have a great birthday. Happy birthday, Hunter.
Garrette Baker, he's turning 23. Great picture right there. Happy birthday to Garrett in Neodesha. And Garrett, these birthday wishes come with love from Mom.
Lindsay Lea Tubaugh celebrating number 30 this year. Hope you have a great one, Lindsay.
In Iowa, Susie Jackman, she is celebrating her 74th birthday. A happy birthday to you, Miss Susie.
Cleo Natalini celebrating number 93 this year. Happy birthday, Miss Cleo. She's in
And
front.
in Chanute, we've got Emily Alonzo. Happy birthday, Emily.
And Justin Payne in Frontenac celebrating another year wiser. Looks like he's got some beach behind him. Nice.
Nice, relaxing birthday photo right there. Julia Dooley, a happy birthday in Webb City. Kim Likert, Kim celebrating in West Mineral. And Lucia Biancarelli, a happy 93 in Radley. One more to pass along. We want to wish a very happy birthday to Mr. Melvin Stewart. Yeah, Mr. Melvin loves his cows, and he is celebrating in Bronson. Happy birthday, Melvin. I bet he's out working them right now.
Yeah.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary
Gotta take
to
care
all
of the girls.
on this April the 8th. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of our KOAM birthday club by going to our website and signing up, and you get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOAM birthday club today.
Let's take a live look outside of television.